In this video, I will tell you how to block comment on your post or reels. First of all, click on Instagram, then go to this last tab, click on these three lines, then scroll down. In the section who can see who how other can interact you. In this section, you will see comments. Click over there, then you will see who can comment. Right now on my post and reel, my followers can comment. There are three options: followers, followers, you follow back, or off. If you want to accept a comment from those users whom you are also following, then you have to click on this. If you want to completely off, switch off the comments, then you can click on this off setting. You see, you can click on off, then your all of the posts and reels will be blocked from the comments.